Hello guys, well you join me for another video. We're now out on the stretch where I ended up getting my PB perch from, and we're going to be in Braintree as well. Taking a fellow of a channel out, a guy called William Fisher, brand new to lure fishing, so fingers crossed we can get him a few fish. I start rolling the clips. I mean, that's a perch. Oh. He's a bit of a warrior.
Nice little perch.
Yeah, good size. It's not huge. I'll pass it off, sort him out. Just by that tree. We'll hold him in the net, have a cast, and there might be a few more. Oh, he's been absolutely brutalised, this guy. Oh yeah, look at him. Look at that side of him.
Hmm? That's been attacked, isn't it?
Yeah, pike's gone off. Oh, he's got a little leech on him as well, on his fin.
He's sitting there.
See the leech?
Ruined his day, yeah. He's sitting up posted for a while. He's ruined his day.
Yeah.
What was that on? Squirm or?
That, well, similar to the squirm.
I'll take anything. Can't be the one to be selecting bites at the moment. I haven't caught anything, so. Oh, I'm in.
Are ya?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a little pike.
What was that?
Hey, first lure caught fish.
You called it. Oh,
Little
mate.
jack. Lovely, well done, mate.
Cheers, mate.
Did you want a little photo of it?
Yeah, go on then. Just leave it.
Oh shit. Well done, mate. Don't get bit by it.
You can't even get in this black gill.
Yeah. That is what we call a cucumber. Well done, mate.
Cheers.
There you go, you're off the mark. Now hopefully we can get you a perch.
Yeah. I thought it was a perch, to be fair.
Well guys, that was the end of that session, but obviously it's not very long up till now. So I'm going to include another session in this video, and let's just say things don't quite go to plan. It's one of those days. I'll start rolling the clips. Hope you guys enjoy. Huh? Oh, you've hooked something. Still going? I do reckon it's going to be a little pike. Oh, it's a toothy one. Do you want this neck? He got your hair, didn't he? Do you like a photo with him? No. Blank saver, isn't it?
Oh my god, what the fuck is he doing?
Has he wriggled out?
No, he's wriggled himself into a complete fucking mess.
Oh, that is a death knot, or death roll. Fucking hell. Oh, someone's a bit lively, isn't he? Put up a nice fight on your rod though, didn't he?
Yeah.
Was that on the far margin?
Yeah, it was, yeah.
Don't know if I'll get back up. I don't know if I'll get back up. think I navigated that quite gracefully. Did you get many pike from here? Are you in? Huh? Oh, that's a nice perch. Chunky little thing, isn't it? Yeah. Where was that? In that corner?
Right on the back side, yeah.
Oh, we could have kept him in my carp net. Oh! Oh! How was that stick?
What was that
Fucking stick. Unbelievable. I thought that was a bigger fish as well. That was tiny, weren't it? We gave a good bite. Yeah, but still imagine they'd be tucked up. Oh!
Oh no! What are you doing? What are you doing to them bloody fish? You're not fucking bass angling, you know that, don't you? You're not fucking smash it out of their jaws.
I'm not striking that hard. I'm setting the hook. Unless I'm getting bites.
Yeah, no, exactly. You know you're doing the right thing, that's the point, right?
Yeah, that one felt better. I can't believe it. It didn't feel perchy though.
No?
I think it might have been maybe a little chub. Might have been a perch, it just didn't feel perchy. Well guys, thank you for watching that video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash the like button. Let me know in the comment section what you guys thought. And any tips for losing so many fish, because I do seem to be losing a lot of fish. But of course, if you guys did enjoy, please smash that subscribe button and come back for next time. It means so much to me for every single one of you that subscribe. I'll see you guys next time in the next instalment.